How to clear your browsing history on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go down here and click on your profile. After you click on your profile, it will take you to this page. Now scroll down until you find your shopping you are shopping for here, and click view your browsing history from here. Now this is my browsing history. If you want to clear it, all what you have to do is click on remove all items from view, or you can remove one by one like this. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.